Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're exploring Halong Bay, Vietnam, a place where emerald waters meet towering limestone cliffs, and nature's artistry creates one of the world's most enchanting seascapes. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Halong Bay together. Welcome to Halong Bay, a jewel of Vietnam and one of the most breathtaking seascapes in the world. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Halong Bay is famous for its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone islands. Each topped with lush rainforests, it is a destination that feels like stepping into a dream, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. As the morning mist rises over the bay, the limestone pillars emerge like ancient guardians of the sea. Cruising along these waters is like sailing through a living painting. Wooden junks and traditional sampan boats glide across the surface, offering travelers the chance to explore hidden lagoons, secret caves, and quiet floating villages. For the adventurous, kayaking through narrow passages reveals secluded beaches and untouched corners of the bay. The caves like Sung Sot Cave or the Heavenly Palace Cave unveil stunning stalactites and stalagmites that tell stories carved by time itself. Halong Bay is not just about scenery, it's about life on the water. Local fishermen cast their nets at sunrise, while floating markets showcase the traditions of generations who have called the bay home. Each moment is infused with the rhythm of the sea and the simplicity of life connected to nature. The best time to visit is from October to April, when the skies are clear, the weather is cooler, and the waters are calm. For an unforgettable experience, spend a night aboard a traditional junk boat. As the sun sets, the cliffs glow in shades of orange and pink, and as night falls, the bay transforms into a tranquil sanctuary under a canopy of stars. Whether you are here to relax on the deck of a boat, capture breathtaking photographs, or simply lose yourself in the serenity of the sea, Halong Bay is a destination that will stay with you forever. So come discover the magic of Halong Bay and let this natural wonder inspire your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel adventures around the world. Your next destination awaits. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Halong Bay. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.